I want you to be honest, no overthinking, and tell me in the comments yes or no. Do you pack way too many clothes for a vacation? Your bag is super heavy and you are still not sure if you've packed enough? And when you actually reach the hotel, you are still confused what to pair with what. Like you have outfits in your bag, but nothing actually goes with anything. And if that's you, then just say yes in the comments, because today we are fixing that. And welcome back to my channel, and this is a part of our Capsule wardrobe series. Today we are talking about something very real: how to pack for a vacation without overpacking. And by the end of this video, you'll have a very clear formula and you will thank me. You'll know how to pack smart, create multiple outfits, and still have space in your bag. And let's keep this very simple. The goal is not to pack more clothes. The goal is to pack smarter clothes. Every piece you carry should work with multiple other pieces. You're not building a full wardrobe. You're building a system of outfits. Okay, 2 simple rules. Start with a neutral base, then add color and personality through smaller pieces. Now let's make this practical. For a 7 to 10 day trip, you don't need a lot. You just need the right mix. So start with your tops. About 4 to 5 pieces. 2 basic tops in neutral colors like white, beige or black. 1 slightly statement top, something printed or colorful. 1 structured top that feels a bit more elevated. And 1 evening top that you can dress up. For bottoms, keep it to 3. 1 pair of your most versatile jeans, 1 comfortable option like trousers or shorts depending on where you are going, and 1 skirt or something flowy that you can style up or down. For layers, just 2 are enough. 1 linen shirt that you can wear on its own or as a cover-up, and 1 slightly statement layer that can instantly elevate a basic outfit. Now let's talk about dresses. 1 or 2 are enough. 1 casual day dress and 1 that can also work for evenings. For footwear, keep it to 3 pairs. 1 comfortable pair for walking like sneakers or flats, 1 slightly elevated pair for dinners, and 1 everyday pair that goes with almost everything. Now accessories. This is where most people either skip or overdo. But keep it simple, intentional. 2 bags, 1 for the day and 1 for the evening, and about 3 to 4 jewelry pieces that you can mix, stack and repeat, because accessories are what help you take the same outfit and make it feel different. Now let's understand the magic behind this. You have 5 tops, 3 bottoms. That already gives you multiple combinations. And now add your layers. Those same outfits instantly start feeling different. Now add your dresses and you have complete ready-to-wear looks. So for a 7 to 10 day trip, you don't need more clothes. You just need better combinations. Now one thing people ignore: fabric. For vacations, fabric matters a lot. Choose fabrics like cotton, linen blends, jersey or crepe that flow easily. Try avoiding fabrics that feel uncomfortable or you can't breathe in them easily. And stick to colors that work together. Neutrals plus 1 color story. Everything mixes, everything works together. Now this is where you really save space. Learn how to take 1 outfit from day to night. For example, during the day, you're wearing a basic top with shorts, sandals and a tote bag. Now for the evening, same top, swap the shorts for a skirt, add earrings, change your bag and footwear. Same outfit, completely different vibe. And this is exactly how you use a few pieces for multiple moments. And honestly, most of us don't need more clothes for vacation. We just need better planning, because packing more doesn't fix the problem. It just makes your bag feel heavier, guys. And if this helped you, then save this video before your next trip and tell me in the comments, where are you going next? Subscribe to the channel and more capsule videos coming your way. And I will see you in the next one.